Imagine uncovering a hidden treasure in the vastness of space. A moon so small and faint that it had eluded detection for decades. That's exactly what happened when astronomers turned the mighty James Webb Space Telescope toward Uranus, revealing a previously unknown moon orbiting this distant ice giant. This discovery not only adds another piece to the cosmic puzzle, but also reminds us how much there is still to explore in our own solar system. The newfound moon, temporarily named S2025U1, measures just about 6 miles, 10 kilometers across. So tiny that it slipped past even NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft during its historic 1986 flyby of Uranus. It's no wonder earlier telescopes couldn't spot it either. Such diminutive celestial bodies are incredibly difficult to detect without advanced technology like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, with its cutting-edge near-infrared camera, NIRCam. JWST provided the clarity needed to identify this elusive object. A dedicated team of researchers from the Southwest Research Institute, SWRI, in Colorado conducted the investigation. They meticulously captured 10 separate 40-minute exposures of Uranus using JWST's InCam instrument. These observations led to the identification of SW25U1, bringing the total count of known moons around Uranus to an impressive 29. But here's where things get interesting. This moon orbits roughly 35,000 miles, 56,000 kilometers, away from Uranus's center. To put that into perspective, Earth's moon resides at an average distance of 238,855 miles, 384,400 kilometers. What makes S2025U1 particularly intriguing is its nearly circular orbit, suggesting it may have formed right where it currently resides. S2025U1 shares its orbital neighborhood with several smaller satellites nestled within the paths of Uranus's largest moons, Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Oberon, and Titania. Interestingly, most of these moons, including all but 2 of Uranus's 29, are named after characters from Shakespearean plays, while S2025U1 awaits its official moniker from the International Astronomical Union, IAU. Scientists are already marveling at the implications of its existence. Beyond showcasing the unparalleled power of JWST, this finding underscores how little we truly know about Uranus and its intricate system of moons and rings. As Matthew Tiscareno of the SETI Institute pointed out, no other planet boasts as many small inner moons as Uranus, and their interactions with the rings hint at a chaotic history that blurs the distinction between a ring system and a moon system. He added that the newly discovered moon is both smaller and fainter than any of the previously identified inner moons, raising the possibility that further surprises await us. Uranus itself is surrounded by 13 distinct rings, split into an inner grouping and 2 outer rings. Unlike Saturn's dazzling rings or Jupiter's more prominent ones, Uranus's rings consist of darker material, making them harder to observe. Among these rings, 14 of Uranus's inner moons weave through the faint inner bands, some acting as gravitational shepherds that help maintain the structure of the rings. Let's rewind briefly to appreciate the significance of Voyager 2's groundbreaking encounter with Uranus in January 1986. At the time, humanity knew of only 5 moons orbiting the 7th planet from the Sun. Fast forward nearly 4 decades, and thanks to advancements like those embodied by JWST, we now recognize the sheer complexity of Uranus's environment. Looking ahead, says Mariam El-Motamid, a lead scientist at SWRI, This discovery highlights how modern astronomy continues to build upon the legacy of missions like Voyager 2, which gave us our first close-up glimpse of Uranus. Today, instruments like JWST are propelling that exploration even farther. And this is the part most people miss. While JWST has revolutionized our understanding of Uranus, it also raises profound questions about what else might be lurking in the shadows of our solar system. Could there be more undetected moons around Uranus, or perhaps other planets? How might these discoveries reshape our knowledge of planetary formation and evolution? So, what do you think? Do you believe there are countless more secrets waiting to be uncovered in the outer reaches of our solar system? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on this astronomical breakthrough.